Welcome back to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at OpenDrive, a cloud storage and file sharing service found at OpenDrive.com. OpenDrive provides a platform for storing, syncing, and sharing your files across various devices. This service offers a variety of features designed to streamline your digital file management, regardless of whether you're an individual user or part of a larger team. One of OpenDrive's key selling points is its robust file sharing capabilities. It allows for secure sharing with both internal and external collaborators, giving you granular control over access permissions. You can easily share files and folders with specific individuals, set expiration dates for shared links, and even password protect shared content for an added layer of security. This makes collaborating on projects and distributing files to clients a breeze. Furthermore, OpenDrive offers a comprehensive suite of synchronization tools, ensuring that your files stay up to date across all your devices. Whether you're working on your desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can access the latest versions of your files seamlessly. This real-time syncing eliminates the hassle of manually transferring files and ensures everyone is working with the most current information. OpenDrive also boasts a user-friendly interface that simplifies file management. Navigating through your files and folders is intuitive, and the platform offers features like file versioning, allowing you to revert to previous versions of a document if needed. The search functionality also makes locating specific files within your cloud storage quick and efficient. Another noteworthy feature of OpenDrive is its focus on security. The platform utilizes encryption to protect your data both in transit and at rest, ensuring that your sensitive information remains confidential. This level of security provides peace of mind, knowing that your files are safeguarded from unauthorized access. Overall, OpenDrive presents a compelling solution for individuals and businesses looking for a secure and efficient way to manage and share their files in the cloud. Its robust features, including secure file sharing, seamless synchronization, a user-friendly interface, and a strong emphasis on security, make it a valuable tool for streamlining your digital workflow. Be sure to check out OpenDrive.com to explore their offerings and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Remember, all links are in the description below.